Hey everybody, just want to say welcome back to the DIY show here. We had a lot of difficulty with coronavirus, just with production and everything. We couldn't get all the crew together. Honestly, it's been really difficult for a lot of things. It's even been difficult to get a haircut. But today we're going to be talking about hail damage repair. So here in Colorado, you can have hail for anywhere from the size of a marble to a golf ball, maybe even up to a tennis ball. We actually had a hailstorm when I was a kid with tennis ball size hail, broke a bunch of windows. My neighbor had a lot of cars. He was a car guy, and the hail hit his cars and completely destroyed it. And I learned some words that day, several words I haven't even heard since, actually. It was kind of like hearing the black speech of Mordor uttered at a council in Rivendell. But anywho, let's get to this hail damage repair. As you can see here, we have some hail damage, and if you call a contractor, they're going to tell you you need to replace this, right? And at the very least, they're going to say, hey, we need to paint it. They're going to want to scrape, they're going to want to prime, they're going to want to paint. Those costs really add up, and here we want to do it ourselves. We want to save a little bit of money. All those steps that those contractors are going to have you do, it's a lot like flossing. It's not really necessary, and who really has the time? So I'm going to show you how to do it by yourself. So really all you're going to need is, let me see here, let me get this going. All you're going to need is basically this 5-in-1. This is called a 5-in-1 because it's pretty much the holy trinity of paint scraping tools. You can see right here, you can clean out a paint roller with this, and right here you can actually scrape paint. So there you have it, 5-in-1. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to scrape wherever you got paint coming off. You're going to want to just go ahead and scrape it off like so. All right. And now if you can see here, that's still really good paint. It's still got a good color, a good sheen to it. So what we're going to do is we're just going to take some white glue, and we're just going to squeeze some of that glue out. Right? A pro tip is maybe unclog the tip before you start this, especially if you're filming. That would probably be wise. But now that you've got that, you're just going to take that piece and you're just going to stick it. Oh, we got upside down. Just make sure you get it oriented right. And look, boom, that's good as new. That dog will hunt. So I just wanted to show you that. That's a real simple, quick way to repair your hail damage. And actually, you know, we talked about the different sizes. This is actually large enough that it can even repel basketball-sized hail. So, yikes. See, good as new. So, thanks for watching, and look forward to doing another video with you.